You on video?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys, we're back. JL has washed her hair. It's slightly damp. And what we're going to do is we're going to use these 3 products on it. The infamous Extreme Wet, what otherwise known as Wet Line.
It's really good.
We're going to use this Curl Wave Activator. And we're going to use some of this argan oil.
Argan
oil?
Argan?
Argan oil?
Yes.
Okay, so first we're going to apply the oil. I know this is out of whatever people tell you to do. LCO, OCL, LOC. But we're going to just work a little oil through here first. Just slightly, okay?
Remember, I don't have that much oil.
I'm not using that much. We're going to use this side. I'm going to work it through just a little bit. Okay, and we're going to braid her hair. Last time we did 8 braids, right?
Yeah. Why don't you just braid it down like you know, like the 2
cornrows?
cornrows.
You just want 2 cornrows?
Yeah.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, JL.
What?
Alright, so we're going to do 2 cornrows then.
It'll be easier to maintain. Anyways.
Did you already... Where's the S curl?
It's right here.
So I'm going to mix these 2 together. Go ahead. Okay. I'm going to mix... I kind of used a little bit of both. And we're going to work it through her hair. You might need a little bit more. Give me a little bit more.
Of this S curl?
Both. Because what we want is when it comes... give me a little. So I'm using about that much. And about this much. Okay? I'm going to mix this in. The reason why I'm not on camera, y'all, I did my hair in these crochet braids. And I have this huge satin bonnet on my head that makes me look like, what's that cartoon character? Megamind? It makes me look like Megamind. So I'm not being on camera right now. So what we're going to do is JL's going to turn so I can braid this hair back. Cornrow it.
Oh,
okay, so here's a lesson in cornrow, y'all. I know we said if you didn't know how to braid, tough luck, but I'm going to show you a lesson in cornrow real quick. So to cornrow, you're going to get 3 strands of hair. 1, 2, 3, right? And you're going to just weave them into each other, flat against the scalp.
Ouch.
Yeah, that's why I asked if you detangled.
I did.
Okay.
You just messed it up with when you put the oil in my hair.
How? Okay, anyway. So I'm going through it. I'm just grabbing clumps of hair. Sorry, JL. JL's a little tender-headed.
I'm not usually, but you got the knots. You're getting the knots. You're pulling my
These are
braids
not
out.
knots. These are not knots, and I'm not pulling
Yes,
your
they
braids
are.
out.
Ouch.
I'm gonna slowly snatch hair so I can grab it. So I'm just using 3 strands and I'm grabbing hair as I need and going down. So it's a flat braid to the scalp, and it will give her what I want to call Dorothy from Oz braids, or whatever you want to call it.
Dorothy from Oz.
2 cornrows. 2 cornrows. And I can make them smaller, but for this demonstration I'm not, because the child just changed her mind on me at the last minute.
I'm sorry.
So they're going to be fat. They started small and they're working their way to be fat at the end.
I didn't mean to change my mind, but I was thinking, I was like, I don't know if that's going to look right on me.
So with her hair, I'm just going to braid it, and we'll probably speed up the video at this point.
This probably not gonna last very long, you guys. Maybe a couple of days. But there it is, one braid down. That's okay. That's okay. Nothing. That's fine. I'll turn it on the other side. I'm gonna turn like this. Yes. Okay. Yeah, turn it on there. So, okay, so give me some of that. You want more? Yeah. Oh, no, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. I'm gonna take some of this. I'm gonna mix it together. Blue with blue. And then kind of work it through the hair. And then what we'll do is we'll put some on the end when we finish to kind of hold the look. So again. Okay, can't really show you. Let me go around the other side so I can show you what I'm doing for y'all who did not see how I cornrow. A lot of you guys don't know how to cornrow. I don't know how to cornrow. Yeah. Give me a little more S-curl stuff, Jay. Put some on the ends. I'm gonna get more of this. I got some. I'm not using mine because I'm afraid to use it on my hair. Okay, let me go on the other side. I want you to turn back the way you were. Okay.
For you who didn't see what I'm doing, I take 3 strands. I just take 3 random strands of hair to start it off. 1, 2, 3. Just grab it. And I'm going to start one under the other.
Yeah, let me get where's the brush?
That's okay. That's okay. We got it. So, one under the other, under the other. Right here. That's how we started off. And we're just going to keep doing that. One under the other, under the other. And then as we go, we're just going to grab more hair. To get really good at this, you just gotta keep practicing. That's all. It's going to look a little janky at first, but the more you get the hang of it, it'll turn out really well.
You want me to get my brush?
No, we're just going to either edit or speed it up after this part. We're just going to keep it rolling. Hey, Jay, I thought you did brush it out.
I did. I'm telling you, my hair tangles easily.
Yeah, you may have to.
When I told you it dries fast and it's
So I
tangled
meant to
easily.
get spray bottle. Keep it wet.
Here, just unravel it and I'll detangle it again for you.
No, it's okay. We already on here. We're just gonna have to deal with it. This side is worse than the other side.
Oh, wait.
So for all of y'all who think 4C is hard to deal with, every hair has every hair type. If we're gonna go by hair typing, I don't necessarily agree with the hair typing system, but most of y'all are familiar with that system. And you would say her hair is a 3C, but it is. And it's 3C, 3B, I would think. She doesn't think that, but that's why I gotta take bigger chunks as I get further back, because it would take me forever.
I could go smaller than this with her hair, but it would need to be really detangled. Or possibly better to do it on blow dry when it's blow dry. But we're just working with the natural string of things today.
JL, you want to show them how you do your edges at the end?
Oh, I don't got no edges for that, girl. Girl.
Okay, well, I'll brush her. She don't want me to do it, I guess.
You can. I don't really have any edges. There's none here. My hairline is literally a box. I don't
That's
know.
good. I mean, that's good.
I don't want a box though.
Okay, so we're done, pretty much done with the style. Turn around and show JL how it looks in the back. Just basically 2 braids going
Is
over
the
it.
part even straight?
Who knows? Who cares right now? Just it's like early in the morning, and we just done the most all day. We're more like vampires, so we work at night and sleep during the day in our coffins.
I mean, you didn't lie. I'm not gonna lie on
It's
YouTube.
like 3 o'clock in the morning, and we're doing this. To extend the style, of course, you want to tie your hair up with a satin cap or something.
I do have a
Or satin-
do-rag.
A do-rag, as affectionately called. A do-rag.
There ain't nothing wrong with do-rags.
And so this won't flake. I'm also going to put some oil on it. Oops.
The oil is to prevent flakes. I think people put too much oil in the hair when they don't really need it. Well, sometimes you do need it, but they probably need more conditioning than oil a lot of times. Go ahead, put that in there. Now give me that argan. No. Okay, so I'm just going to put a little bit on her scalp, just run it down.
Scalp. And just put a little bit right here.
Ooh,
Oh, sorry. Did it drip down your neck?
yeah, just a little bit.
Okay. The scalp loves oil. The hair may not so much. Okay, so there you have it. There you go.
And I got this from Walmart, by the way.
Yeah, all those products you probably can get from Wally World.
She hates Walmart.
Don't say that. Stop saying that.
I say what I want.
Okay.
Gosh
So-
darn it.
So this video has come to an end, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you like this kind of video or you want me to show you how to actually braid, let me know. I'll be happy to see that, show you that. If you want another video or something else that we could guinea pig on JL's hair, let me know.
Did you really just call me your
Yes.
guinea pig? That's all I am to you?
You're
I
my
have no
loving
word.
You're
I
my
have no
loving
word.
daughter, but you're also my hair model. Okay, that's the better word. My hair model. My hair model. My hair model. Okay, till next time, y'all. See you later. Bye.
Bye.